Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and Fat Hippo here. Today we will be playing Happy Wheels, and you can find it on TotalJerkface.com. So, let's get to it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Godwin the goat, run, jump, and headbutt your way through Mystic Mountains as a fluffy goat. Use your head and your horns to explore an open world full of puzzles and secrets. Can you find and reopen the hidden ruins to see what resides within? Links and strings. Alright. So nice. Ooh, that's a beautiful goat. Press space to me. Go this way. Oh, how do I jump? There you go. Get out of the way. Boom. Alright, got it. Shift. Yeah. Boom. Boom. He's stronger than me. I can do it. Boom. Fine, then I'll just jump over you, turd. You want some help? Okay, let's continue. Oh, what you say? Hey, pal, mind doing me a favor? Rana keeps running off of that box. Lower your horns to give it a good shove back here. Really? I just helped that dude get all the way up there. Now you want me to get it back? It says fragile. Get out of my way. You happy now? Turd. Good. Whoa! Whoa! Sheep. Get out of my way. No. This is so hard. No. Why is a goat driving a tractor? Yes. Ahoy, Godwin. If ye be wanting some good exercise, hop aboard yonder wheel. A wee bit of hard work is good for ya, lad. Okay. Let's go. Whee! Let's go. Alright, hook it up, boy. Shut it. Yeah, boy. Oh man. Alright, here we go. Yes. Dude, you're going the wrong way. Nice. Push. No. What? Can't jump. There you go. No. Whoa. This is heavy. Oh, this is dumb. Shoot. Alright, that's we're done with this one. Alright, exit the menu. The secret code. Secret code is the only way to open the golden door, but what's behind it? Let's figure it out. Alright, select level 1. Because I've never done this before. Alright, get that out of the way. Oh yeah. Yeet! Ah! Oh, I'm dead. Restart. E R. No. How did I do it? Yeah, I gotta press like something E and something R. Level 1. Yeah. Alright, let's do it again. Too slow. Ah! Yeet. Don't hurt me. Whoa! Timmy? Hey, what is that? What? Wait. Oh, my face. I just drew my. Remember this number. Alright, guys. Remember. 7. Do not let me forget. 7. Alright. Going to level 2. Level 2. Thank you very much. Alright. 7. Do not forget the number. 7. 7, 7, 7. Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa. I thought that was going for me good. Slow. I don't fall slow, fine. Oh, I broke my bike. Alright, that's okay. Because I am a pro at doing wheels. Ah! What's this rock have to do with anything? I can get up this hill very easily. Almost there. Yes. No. No. No, it took me so long to get up the hill. Oh, whoa. Skirt, skirt. Oh. Oh my god. Alright. M-E-R. I don't know. Restart. 2. Alright, number 2. We gotta try to finish this. Whoa! Oh, Timmy, are you alright? Get out of here, you. Yes, and Timmy's still alright too. Beep beep. Bye, Timmy. Oh man. Ah, my bike. That's alright. This way. Yes. Acrobat. Oh my gosh, that does not look okay. This is how they do it, guys. Ah, rolled over me. Squish my neck. Ah, yes. Most flexible neck in the world. Oh, wait. See. Are you still alive? Alright, back to oh my gosh, you're still alive, guys. Huh. Now how do we get oh, there he is. Dude, are you still alive? No? Okay. Alright, get this. Oh, it's tab and then R. Alright, got it. Alright, level 2. Let's go. This one I know we're gonna be whoa. Alright, Timmy. You're staying with me now. Skirt in your face, boy. Get that out of here. And we're just gonna boom. Here. Nope. Oh, Timmy. Whoa. Yes. This is the best we've ever done. Get at it. Ah. 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 I died. Alright. See? Z. Let's go. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh. Oh. Ah, rip it out. Ah, Screw. Yeah. Hallelujah. Ah! Oh my god, my son! Alright. I just pressed shift, which is why that just happened. So, I lesson. Wait, what if I do this? Would you guys be able to see what I'm doing now? So, we can't even see me. Get that out of here. Okay. Perfect. Skirt. Right. Oh. Right here. No. Oh. Yeah, I want to real Timmy away. He's just adding extra weight. Did I just hit my head? No. 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 Wheelie! Look at that thing. Bonk! Ah! Skirt! Not so fast. Click. Alright, I clicked it. Get out of my way. Oh my god, that's painful. Ow! Ah! Stop! Stop it! Ah! Timmy, go! Timmy, get out of here! Timmy, go! Go, Timmy, go! Oh, Timmy's still alive. What? Is this your leg? Oh, he lost an arm. Alright, restart. Alright, my goal for this video is to finish this level. At least this level. Does everybody still remember the number? 7. Alright, good. Let's go. Skirt! Ah, my butt! No! Wrong thing. Oh, get off me. My butt! I mean, you got that acid poop. Sorry. That's a little dirty. Ooh, yeah. Oh! Boy, don't try to catch that, you crazy boy. Get that out of here. Chuck, yeah. No. Timmy, get off. Timmy, you're just ruining this whole thing for me. Oh man, guys. 3 minutes. Ah, my face. Click. Get that out of the way. His face. There we go. Oh my gosh. Ah! Wait, what is this? Yes. I'm stronger than you. Yes. All right. So we have 7 and 9. Ooh, excuse me. 7 and 9. 7 and 9. 7 9 7 9 7 9 7 9 7 9 7 9 7 9 7 9. And why am I wearing shorts in the middle? It's stinking cold. Ah! I can make it. No, no. Oh no! I squished it. Well, it looks like we're not going to be completing this anytime soon. But for my next video, I will continue this. Ow. So thank you for watching once again. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe the video if you want to see more. My next video will probably be more of this Happy Wheels. So don't worry. Yep, thank you for watching, and of course, have a great time. See you in the next video.